Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see how to print BINOD or string or any name in this following pattern. In case if you guys wondering who BINOD is, well, congratulations, I don't know either. Alright, it was some kind of meme going around in India. Alright, so here in this figure you can see the indexing is starting from 0 and it is ending at 8, so that means this figure contains 9 only in this particular name. Alright, so it will have 9 rows. Alright, so let's see. First, what we are going to do is we are going to print only this upper half part, then we will concentrate on the lower half part. Alright, so here I'm in Jupyter notebook. First let me initialize a variable called name and take the input from the user. Okay, name, input, enter the name. Okay, so now that I have taken input from the user, let me take a for loop for I in range of length. Okay, length is a function to measure the length of the string. Alright, I'm gonna pass name and then let's see what it is going to print. Alright, I'll just print I, so I'm gonna give some this something. Okay, so it is starting from 0 and it is ending at 6 because the length of this is 7, so 3 3 6 and this one is 7. All right, so yeah, now here what I'm going to print is I need to print the first letter, then first plus second letter, then first plus second plus third letter likewise. All right, so let's just only concentrate till here, till fourth row. So for that what I'll print is name of, this is a slicing method, so I'm gonna take first value all the way till I plus 1. Okay, why I plus 1? Because always the last term will be ignored in slicing method. Okay, so for that I'm gonna need to add 1. So let me just print, I'll just print BINOD, and yeah, you can see we have attained this pattern over here till here. Now the next method is I need to take one more for loop for this below figure, below pattern. All right, so I'm gonna give for j in range of length of name all the way till 0, so 0 will not be considered, it will go till 1. Okay, I'm traveling in a reverse way, so that's why I need to mention -1 over here. So -1, then what I need to print is I need to print BINO but excluding this last D, and then at 6th row I need to exclude this 0 O, and then at 7th row I need to exclude N. Likewise at the last position I need to print the only B. Okay, so for that what I'll print is name, then slicing, then j minus 1. Okay, so j minus 1. So let me just copy and paste it over here, and then let me just give name 1 because already I have taken name over here. I'll just take input again, input name. Okay, I'll execute this. Let me just give BINOD again, BINOD. So there you can see BINO, and we have attained this pattern. Okay, so I'll just copy this, I'll just remove this one, and yeah, I have already have this over here. So yeah, the coding part is over. Let's just execute this program and let's see the overall pattern, BINOD. Okay, there you can see we have attained this exact pattern using Python code. Okay, let me just give his full name. I think it was Binod Taru, I guess, BINOD. THARU. It looks even better. There is a space is also included because I have given space over here. So let's just do one more in capital. I'll just give BINOD 3 times. BINOD, BINOD, BINOD. Looks even more cooler. I'll just toggle these things. Okay, so now that you have watched my video, I'm gonna give homework. So what I want you guys to do is type this program. All right, type this program without saying. In case if you need help, you can always refer this video. So what I want you guys to do is type this program and take input, like in case if your name is Akshay, for example, AKSHAY, Akshay, enter. So it's gonna print in this following pattern. What I want you guys to do is copy this and paste it below this video in the comment section, so that I'll know you guys practice. All right, I hope you guys learned something new. This was a funny exercise video, and yeah, this is how you code to attain this kind of pattern using Python. Okay, I hope you guys learned something new. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care. Bye.